Genspark AI update is insane. Genspark just dropped something crazy. You can now turn raw data into a full presentation with a voiceover in minutes. I'm talking sales numbers to executive briefing without touching PowerPoint. This is the kind of stuff that replaces entire jobs, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So Genspark just released something wild, and I need to show you this because it changes everything about how you handle data and presentations. We're talking about a full workflow, data analysis to executive briefing in minutes. AI Sheets analyzes your sales data. Hub synthesizes the insights. AI Slides creates your executive deck. And Voice Your Slides turns it into a narrated video. All of this happens automatically. No manual work, no switching between tools. Genspark basically built a system that does what an entire team used to do. Think about it. You used to need a data analyst to look at your numbers, then someone to summarize the findings, then a designer to make slides, then you to record the presentation. That's 4 different people or 4 different tools at minimum. Genspark does all of it in one place, and it's fast. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Here's how it works. You start with AI Sheets. This is where the magic begins. You upload your data, could be sales numbers, could be marketing metrics, could be customer data, whatever you have. And AI Sheets doesn't just show you the data, it analyzes it, it finds patterns, it spots trends, it gives you insights that you would have missed. The system uses natural language. You can ask it questions like you're talking to a person. Show me sales trends. What's the average revenue per customer? Which products are performing best? And it answers immediately. But here's what makes it different from Google Sheets or Excel. AI Sheets doesn't make you write formulas. You don't need to know VLOOKUP or SUMIF or any of that stuff. You just ask, and it figures out what you need. It can even find data for you automatically. You can tell it to find companies in a specific industry or products in a category, and it goes out and gets that data, fills in the table, organizes everything. This is huge for research. Let me give you an example. Say you're analyzing sales data, you have thousands of rows, different regions, different products, different time periods. In the old way, you'd spend hours sorting through this, making pivot tables, creating charts, trying to find the story in the numbers. With AI Sheets, you just ask, what are the top performing regions? Show me growth trends by product, which months had the highest sales, and it gives you the answers with charts, with summaries, with everything you need. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save 100s with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Genspark. The link in comments and description is at school.com/AI Profit Lab. Now back to Genspark, and it catches errors too, duplicates, anomalies, missing data, things that would mess up your analysis. It spots them automatically and creates a coherent story. No more staring at numbers trying to figure out what to tell your boss. Hub uses multiple AI models working together. This is their mixture of agent system. Different models handle different parts. One model might be better at spotting trends. Another might be better at writing summaries. Hub coordinates all of them, gets the best result from each, and synthesizes everything into one clear report. This is how Genspark outperforms single model systems. It's not just one AI doing everything, it's multiple specialized AIs working as a team. And here's what people miss. Hub doesn't just summarize, it synthesizes. Big difference. Summarizing is taking existing information and making it shorter. Synthesizing is taking information from multiple sources and creating new insights. Hub does that. It connects data points. It finds relationships. It spots opportunities, things that wouldn't be obvious from just looking at the raw numbers. Now you have your analysis, you have your synthesis, time to present it. This is where AI Slides comes in. And this is where most people get stuck. Making slides takes forever. You need to design layouts, choose colors, make charts, write bullet points, format everything. Most people spend more time on the slides than on the actual analysis. AI Slides solves this. You give it your insights from Hub, or you can just give it a prompt. Create an executive summary deck on Q3 sales performance. That's it. And AI Slides builds the whole thing. It creates custom charts. It writes the content. It designs the layout. It even pulls in relevant images. The result is a professional deck that looks like a designer made it. One review said AI Slides created a 12-slide deck that was presentation ready, with custom charts showing conversion rates by industry, with an executive summary highlighting key findings, everything color-coded, everything formatted, ready to present. And the best part is it's editable. You're not locked in. You can tweak the content, change the design, adjust the data, export to PowerPoint or PDF, whatever you need. But here's the thing, Most of the time, you won't need to change much because AI Slides understands what makes a good presentation. It knows how to structure information, how to visualize data, how to create a narrative flow. This isn't just auto generating slides. This is creating presentations that actually work. Compare this to other tools. Gamma makes pretty slides, but the content is generic. You have to rewrite everything to match your specific data. With Genspark, the slides are built from your actual analysis. They're specific, they're accurate, they're relevant. That's the difference, and people are noticing. One founder said they used Genspark to analyze their business data and create a presentation in under 17 minutes. 17 minutes for the entire workflow. That would have taken hours before. Now, here's the final piece, voice your slides. This is where it gets really next level. Your presentation's done, but you need to record it. Maybe for a video, maybe for an online course, maybe for a client pitch. Recording presentations is painful. You need to set up your mic, write a script, record yourself, edit out the mistakes, sync everything with the slides. It takes forever. Voice Your Slides does all of this automatically. You take your deck from AI Slides, you run it through Voice Your Slides, and it creates a narrated video with professional voiceover synced to your slides, ready to share. You don't record anything, you don't write a script. The AI generates the narration from your slide content, uses high-quality AI voices, and creates a complete video presentation. This is what people are using for training videos, for sales presentations, for YouTube content, for anywhere you need a narrated presentation. And if you want to use your own voice, you can do that too. Some tools let you clone your voice. You record 15 seconds. And the AI can narrate your entire presentation in your voice in any language. This is huge for people creating content at scale. You can make multiple presentations in multiple languages without recording each one manually. The time savings are massive. Let me walk you through the full workflow one more time so you see how it all connects. You start with raw data, sales numbers, customer metrics, whatever you have. You upload it to AI Sheets. AI Sheets analyzes it, finds the trends, spots the insights, answers your questions. You take those insights to Hub. Hub synthesizes everything, creates the narrative, connects the dots, figures out what matters. You take that synthesis to AI Slides. AI Slides builds your presentation, creates the charts, writes the content, designs the layout. Then you take that presentation to Voice Your Slides. Voice Your Slides creates a narrated video, professional voiceover, synced to your slides, ready to share. The entire process takes minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. And this is all happening in one platform. You're not jumping between tools. You're not exporting and importing files. You're not copy-pasting data. Everything flows together. This is what Genspark means by an all-in-one AI workspace. It's not just having multiple tools in one place. It's having them work together as one system, each part feeding into the next, creating a seamless workflow. Now let me show you what this means practically. Say you're a marketer, you have campaign data, clicks, conversions, cost per acquisition, all that stuff. You need to present the results to your team. Old way, you spend 3 hours analyzing the data in Excel, 2 hours making slides in PowerPoint, 1 hour recording yourself presenting, 6 hours total. With Genspark, you upload the data to AI Sheets, ask it to analyze campaign performance. It gives you the insights in minutes. You tell Hub to create a summary. It connects everything. You tell AI Slides to create a deck. It builds it. You run Voice Your Slides. You have a complete narrated presentation. Total time maybe 30 minutes. You just saved 5.5 hours. Or say you're a consultant, you need to do market research, find companies in a specific industry, analyze their data, create a competitive analysis presentation. Old way, you spend hours searching, building spreadsheets, making charts, creating slides, recording your findings. With Genspark, you tell AI Sheets to find companies in your target industry. It automatically searches and fills in the data. You ask it to analyze the competitive landscape. It gives you the insights. Hub synthesizes the findings. AI Slides creates the presentation. Voice Your Slides narrates it. You have a complete research report with presentation in a fraction of the time. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. The best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Genspark. The link in comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab.